Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Motor Kid again. Here's that Megane I was telling you about. I'm going to show you the way it currently runs. My battery's about to die, so you might not be able to tell. It does make some rather funny noises when it's running. Wait a minute, hang on. Got the key in the right way. Wait a minute. There we go. Wait a minute, need to get the wipers off. Oh well. Do you hear? It's got a bit of a whine to it. Yeah, it does make some funny noises. See you next time. If you can diagnose what the problem is, leave a comment.